Do you have someone special in your life that would appreciate a mega card or little mini zine? I bet you do. And if so, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to make an 8-page mega card, or what I'm calling a zine. It's like a mini magazine for someone special in your life. This card can be for any occasion. I'm doing one for Valentine's Day and Father's Day, but it could be for Mother's Day, a birthday, an anniversary, or just to say you care. Hi there, I'm Laura Irrgang, an artist living in Lone Oak, Texas. I illustrate books, paint murals, and have work in galleries. I created the comic strips Glitterville and Greg, and I'm a member of the Texas Cartoonists. I co-illustrated the book Knit Strips, the world's first comic strip knitting book. I talk about art on panels and work as a presenter at literary festivals, and I also teach classes on comics and graphic novels. I'm always painting and creating in my studio by the woods. It's my happy place. This is an easy project that gives you a fun intro to using mixed media techniques. I'll show you how to assemble the paper into a zine and how to use simple supplies to get great results. We'll talk about using a limited color palette. I'll also show you tricks to get the text placement just right, and we'll work on making every single page personalized for that special person. Nothing says you're important to me like a handmade card. I remember when I was a little girl, I loved getting cards. In fact, I still have some of the cards people gave me when I was younger. They meant a lot to me. It made me feel seen, and it made me feel special, and it made me feel like someone knew me and cared enough to, take the time to get the paper and write the stuff and lick the envelope and go to the post office. So those things mattered to me. And now you can create that warm feeling for someone else too. Each page of this zine will be about your special someone and the things you love about them. This class would also be really fun with a group of friends, so throw a card making party if you want. All right, we'll get started in the next video where I'll talk about supplies. I hope you'll join me.